मैं नहीं जानता राहुल गांधी को.
Do you believe the Congress needs a new leadership?
It is their internal matter. It is for them to decide what is good or bad for them.
Prime Minister Modi.
It is a जुमलाबाज है, सपनों के सौदागर हैं.
Successful sapno ke saudagar. Politically successful. You yourself said winning election after election.
Yes, because the parties who are contesting against him do not have that political strategy, vision, or those communicative skills to defeat BJP. And that is why, if they lose, why is Owaisi doing this? Why is Owaisi doing that? Why don't they damn well say that we are not competent to take on Modi? The day they say that, that will be a great day for them. That now you find out what should be done. Because yes, Modi is a formidable opponent. Yes. One cannot mistake that. Should accept it and accordingly devise a planned strategy, which unfortunately these parties have not done it.
Mayawati ji.
Well, Mayawati, you see, I feel that there's a lot of talk about Obama. And I think the only leader which comes near to Obama who has come from grassroots level is Mayawati.
You are saying Mayawati can be compared to President Obama?
In terms of how that, despite not coming from any political family, not having a great, wealth, or coming from a feudalistic family, coming up from ground and becoming a chief minister, that is a great achievement, and from a Dalit Samaj. And I feel that what Kashiram has done was tremendous. I mean, in independent India, Kashiram was one of the greatest leaders we have seen. So I think
that is a big compliment for Mayawati in the middle of an election, as it's up.
Well, you see, you have asked me, so I don't hold back what I have to say. Coming from struggling, fighting, and coming up, it has been.
But do you think this is an existential battle for her? क्योंकि अगर इस
oh yes.
अगर इस बारी यूपी में मायावती परफॉर्म नहीं करती फिर क्या हो?
Oh yes, you are absolutely right. She lost in 2012. She lost in 2014. And if she loses now, and the future looks very bleak for her, what will happen? I think that this is a very important political battle for her.
Why didn't you try and reach an arrangement with Mayawati?
Well, someday when I write a book, or maybe after elections, I'll comment, not now.
Which means that you did try.
No, I don't want to comment on it. I didn't try. Neither did I try. Neither there was any move was made from our side. Nothing of that sort of happened.
Rahul Yadav is asking a question. If Mr. Owaisi asks for Muslim votes and Muslims vote for him and Hindus vote for BJP, game khatam. Is that what he wants?
अरे गेम तो खत्म कर दिया ना यादव साहब ने. आपने 5 परिवार को जिता दिया, एक मुसलमान को नहीं जिताया आपने. बताइए